Hi guys, I'm Shmi. Welcome back to the route, and today we're going to France.
That's it. Fast as Tim's gonna go all day.
Have fun. Good morning, comrades, and it's definitely a good morning weather-wise. It's blue sky. It's been raining overnight, so it's a bit wet, but hopefully the track will dry out in a couple of minutes, hours. We'll see. Shmi is here, but as you can see, his trailer with the Senna is attached to the G-Wagon already, so he will be leaving today, unfortunately. But yesterday we had a very fun lap with the 620R. It's so cool, so impressive to see him progress. Like obviously he spent like more time on the Nürburgring this year than I actually did, which is like a bit fun, ridiculous, weird, unexpected if you compare it with our activities previously. But like his driving now makes me like also wish even more that we should like do at least one race together, like maybe something for next year. Now that he's gotten more confident and attached to the Nürburgring, we'll see. So maybe go spam his channel saying like, hey, you should go race together. Other than that, we have a couple of instruction laps, a couple of taxi laps, a couple of rental laps. A friend of mine will be visiting us, Philip Ruprecht. My German pronunciation is a bit rusty. I need to get some pancakes with latte macchiato to sort it out. But he's a very big photographer, I would say. Famous photographer. Well, there'll be probably a separate video because I'll be going out for a lap with him and we can talk it through. But then, and also today later on he will introduce himself. But yeah, let's see what the day will have to bring. Why is GT2 not out? George, do your job.
Well, with the typical IFA weather, we're not sure if it's going to be mega wet for. It's drying quickly, basically. So Tim said let him do his sighting lap first, and then 3 and we'll see what the track's like before we change the wheels.
So, and then you can do a test lap.
I mean, sure.
Yeah. Bye, Senna.
Bye, Senna.
Bye, Shmi.
Cheerio for now. Senna says cheers. Good morning, cheers. That's like
It was like a boy band cheers. You know, like on Waze where you can pick like boy band navigation voice.
I've never tried that.
Huh?
Is that what you do? Can you do that?
I did it once and never again.
You can have like Darth Vader and all sorts of things.
Yeah.
Oh, is this on Waze?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you can turn left now.
I'm not gonna lie, I did think about recording a Shmi 51.
Oh, can you do that?
It's a voice for Waze. Then everybody can. Then everybody can make one and upload it.
I remember doing it on my Tom's one when I had
And
John
Dave,
Cleese.
we need to turn left.
John Cleese had them on.
You've arrived at your destination. Cheers! Hi guys, I'm Shmi. Welcome back to the route, and today we're going to France. He just left. Shmi has left the building.
This is like really satisfying watch. I don't know why, but it's just really satisfying.
Great content, George. Thank
This
you.
is great content. Look, just look at it go, look.
Nice.
And then... Yes!
Loaded.
Bye. I love the new wheels, I must say. Yeah.
Are you gonna record a noisy start?
Yeah, you may proceed.
Hold on. I'm just gonna put it in the right mode.
Yes, I could.
Are you ready?
Yes. Nice. Safe travels.
Thank you. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bon voyage. Yeah, I'm coming with you. Let's go.
That's it. Fast as Tim's gonna go all day.
Is the prime change? I got my ticket.
Oh.
I got my ticket, didn't I?
And he drove off into the grey cloud. sometimes one phone is not enough to capture the unforgettable experience.
When they go off.
Yep,
They grow up so fast, Misha.
they do. But luckily, unlike children, they come back. Fast forward to a car that does not want to close. Yeah, it does now. Very nice Golf livery. Back to, well, not back, but we are at the ticket office, something that has been info center for a while due to Corona stuff, but now it's ticket office again, so you can buy your tickets here. You don't have to mess around with the app. But that's basically the piece of information that I want to give to you, together with pancake content. So let's go to Devil's Diner and get some breakfast for everyone. Danke. Mmm, yummy. That's also okay. But this. After pancakes, it's time to go for a lap. Yeah, if only. Let's just repark it. But still probably a reason for a cold start. Oh, hi, it's Philip. How's life?
Hi there.
Fancy,
Okay.
fancy car you brought with you. Are we taking it for a lap?
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
You want to take it for a lap?
Yeah, sure.
Double check the papers I signed at BMW.
Ah, should be fine. Press car, zero access. Extra publicity. Fast forward back to the TF car park. Oh, that's cute. That's awesome, by the way. Yeah. Fast forward back to TF car park. Getting pretty busy. We just got a food order, and now we're gonna do a lap, because to pick it up you need to do a little lap. So that's a Nürburgring drive-through. First time on the track?
Yep. No, actually not.
No.
Done a parade lap before the 24 hours Nürburgring in 2016.
Okay. With what? BMW?
No.
Mercedes.
Mercedes AMG GT.
Ah.
GT, the first GT back then.
Okay, but it was a parade lap. It was not a fast
Yeah,
lap.
it was.
Well, let's see if we can beat the beast of the green hell. Ah. Nice. Yes, perfect slap squat. I love that. Good job. That's why he's such a good photographer. Yes, heels on the ground. Perfect. Wonderful. Can I wash the cutlery?
Oh, very good.
Yeah. After laps and lunch and food, it's time to go home. Very nice color. It's hard to see it on camera probably. It's Porsche color actually originally, but it suits the car very well. And I love how sleeper it is. You're probably asking, what do you mean sleeper? It's not really a sleeper car, but look at the calipers. Absolutely sleeperish. Bye. And immediately attracting car spotters. Yes. Oh, some reps, some reps. Serious weapon, yep. Ooh, look at that. Nice. And a very cool RS3. Is that an Arteon shooting brake or no, it's just a Passat? Fast forward, just did a lap in this. Video to follow. It was awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah. Very emotional. Fast forward into the evening, and it's time to jizz all over the GT2 RS. I mean, honestly, there's no other way to describe it. Yeah, Dole Juice make awesome foam, apple foam products. It's been a good day. Did some laps, lots of laps. Things are going back to normal, I would say. That's very good to see. Other than that, I don't know what to say. Thanks for joining. Thanks for coming by. Good day, good day. Looking forward to the rest of the week. doing some prototype spotting probably, and some more driving. Yeah, excited. So thank you everyone who stopped by, and see you in tomorrow's vlog. Not sure if there's going to be any food chat because I ate a lot today already. So yeah, see you. Bye.